Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. 10 grooming tips for men. Let's do it. Number 1, trim the nose hairs. Nose hairs are unsightly. Don't let them be the first thing that people notice when they see you. These Andis Clippers are reasonably priced and do the job quickly and easily. Number 2, remove the hair from your ears. The Andis trimmers can do that too. Quick and easy. A rechargeable clipper can also make quick work of those dreaded spider legs. Number 3, trim the eyebrows. R.I.P Andy Rooney. Keep your brows neat and trim. Brush them upward when you brush your hair in the morning. Here's a video on how to trim your eyebrows. Number 4, remove the hair from the back of your neck. Unfortunately, when you pass 30 years old, hair grows like wildfire on the back of your neck. It's ugly, remove it. Here's a video how to do it. Number 5, shave your face. A beard can make you look rugged or distinguished, but it can also make you appear 10 years older than you really are. Shave your face. Usually, a closely shaved man looks younger than a man with a beard and mustache. Here's a video how to shave properly. Number 6, keep your nails short and clean. Keep your finger and toenails trimmed, clean, neat, and buffed to a nice shine. You can have someone do this for you weekly or monthly, or you may prefer to tackle this task yourself. You want polish? No, shiny buff. Here's a video how to keep your nails looking great. Speaking of toenails, a while back I went to the gym, forgot my shower shoes at home. Guess what? Went in the shower, came home with toenail fungus. That's right. I spoke to my doctor and he recommended taking the internal medicine, which is called Lamisil. The generic is called Turbinafine. And he mentioned that the products that you put on externally, the topical ones, they're 12% effective, but good old Turbinafine, 88% effective. So I went on that for a bit, and it's supposed to be a 6-month run. After 3 months, my toenails were completely cleared up. If you have that issue, speak to your doctor. Number 7, brush and floss your teeth daily. Take care of your choppers. No one wants to see your last meal. Brush in the morning and before bed, and floss at least once a day. I use these little picks, which are cheap and easy to use. Disposable. By the way, here's my favorite toothpaste. It's Aquafresh with microactive foaming action. So when you brush with this, it bubbles up and really cleans your teeth. No other toothpaste does that for me. I really like this one. Number 8, stand up straight. Listen to your mother. Standing tall conveys a sense of confidence and will also help you look slimmer. Number 9, cleanse your face on a regular basis with a facial soap. Facial skin is much more sensitive than the skin on the body. Most body soaps are too strong for the face. Get yourself a cleanser that is designed specifically for the face. Number 10, use an aftershave, but remember, less is more when it comes to fragrance. Wear aftershave, but not too much. It's all right to smell good, but everyone doesn't have to smell it. Find something that works for you and stick with it. You may want to go with a splash in the summer and a balm in the winter. Here's a video about aftershaves. I'll put links underneath for all these products if you want to pick them up. Just click where it says show more and you can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Also, before I head out, please smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell up there. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.